Imagine stepping into your garden, a sanctuary of green, where the air itself feels alive, and being greeted by a burst of cool, invigorating fragrance. It's a scent that awakens the senses, a natural perfume that whispers of freshness and vitality. That's the magic of peppermint. It's more than just a plant, it's an experience. This robust herb transforms any space into a sensory delight, turning ordinary moments into something special. Its vibrant green leaves promise a world of possibilities. Just brush the leaves and you'll see what I mean. The simple act releases an explosion of minty aroma, a testament to the plant's potent essence. Peppermint is easy to grow even if you don't have a green thumb. Thriving with minimal care, it's a low-maintenance addition to any garden or home, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, peppermint is a rewarding plant to cultivate. It's incredibly versatile, adapting to various environments and growing conditions. Plant it in a pot on your patio where its fragrance can mingle with the fresh air, a garden bed where it can spread and create a lush carpet of green, or even a sunny kitchen windowsill, bringing a touch of nature indoors. The plant rewards you with lush, aromatic leaves all season long, providing a constant supply of freshness. It's a living air freshener, naturally purifying the air and filling your home with its delightful scent. A handy kitchen ingredient, ready to be used in teas, desserts, and savory dishes. And a beautiful green accent, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Peppermint asks for little, making it an ideal plant for busy individuals. Just some sun to fuel its growth and enhance its fragrance. Water and space to spread its roots and flourish. And gives back so much more in terms of beauty, fragrance, and usefulness. If you want a plant that delights the senses, offering a constant source of aromatic pleasure, and is endlessly useful, providing ingredients for culinary creations and natural remedies, peppermint is your answer. It's a simple solution to a more vibrant and fragrant life. Let's bring this fantastic herb into your home and unlock its many benefits. And start your journey to a fresher, more fragrant garden, one that invigorates the soul. The adventure begins with a single, marvelous mint plant, a small step towards a more sensory-rich world. Peppermint's aroma is unmistakable, fresh, sharp, and wonderfully uplifting. It's a scent that can instantly awaken your senses and bring a sense of calm. The invigorating fragrance is due to the menthol it contains, a compound known for its cooling and refreshing properties. Place a pot by your door and let the gentle breeze carry its invigorating scent inside, welcoming you and your guests with its refreshing fragrance. It's a natural air freshener that not only smells delightful, but also adds a touch of greenery to your entryway. In the kitchen, peppermint truly shines as a versatile and flavorful herb. Add a few fresh leaves to your water for a refreshing twist, or muddle them into lemonade for a burst of cool, minty flavor. You can also brew a soothing, naturally caffeine-free tea. Simply steep a handful of fresh leaves in hot water for a comforting and aromatic beverage. The flavor of fresh peppermint is undeniably vibrant, a world apart and far superior to the often dull taste of dried tea bags. The difference is truly remarkable. Beyond its delightful taste, peppermint is also a surprisingly effective natural pest repellent. Its strong, distinctive scent naturally deters common garden pests like aphids and beetles, and can even discourage mice and spiders from making themselves at home. Place a few sprigs in your cupboards to keep unwanted critters away from your food, or position them near doorways to create a fragrant and effective barrier against pests. This is a gentle, fragrant, and natural approach to pest control. Peppermint also boasts a rich history in traditional remedies. It has been used for centuries for its therapeutic properties. Its soothing aroma is known to ease tension and promote relaxation, and a warm cup of peppermint tea can work wonders to soothe an upset stomach and aid digestion. While it's certainly not a substitute for professional medical care, it's incredibly empowering to have this gentle and natural remedy readily available at hand. Peppermint truly earns its place in any home, not only feeding the senses with its delightful aroma and flavor, but also offering a sense of comfort and well-being. It's like having a living potpourri, constantly releasing its refreshing fragrance into the air. It's also a culinary star, adding a burst of flavor to a wide range of dishes and beverages. And it's a natural helper, offering a range of benefits from pest control to soothing relief, all in one plant. That's precisely why it's an absolute must-have for every gardener and homeowner alike. Ready to plant your very own peppermint? To begin, it's best to start with a healthy, vibrant peppermint plant already established, or a cutting that has taken root. This will give you a head start. While starting from seeds is an option, you'll find that you achieve the best and quickest results by using a starter plant or cutting. Next, choose a container that's spacious enough to accommodate your peppermint's growth. A pot that is at least 12 inches wide should do the trick. Remember, peppermint likes to spread out, so giving it ample room from the start is key. Ensure that your chosen container has adequate drainage holes. This is crucial for preventing waterlogging and keeping your peppermint's roots healthy. Peppermint has a tendency to spread rapidly, so planting it in a pot is an excellent way to keep it contained and prevent it from taking over your garden. This way, you can control its growth and enjoy its benefits without any unwanted surprises. When it comes to the type of pot, any sturdy material will work well. Terracotta, plastic, or ceramic will do just fine. Don't forget to grab a saucer to place under your pot. This will catch any excess water that drains out. This simple addition helps protect your surfaces and keeps things tidy. For the soil, use a good quality, well-draining potting mix. A standard multi-purpose compost is perfect for this. You don't need anything too fancy, just something that retains moisture while still allowing for good drainage. Now let's gather your tools. Gardening gloves to keep your hands clean and protected, a hand trowel for easy digging and transplanting, and a watering can to give your peppermint the hydration it needs. With all of these items at hand, you're well prepared for a smooth and mess-free planting experience. Having your kit ready ensures that you're set up for success right from the start. While the preparation might seem simple, it truly makes all the difference in creating a positive planting experience. So let's get planting and make this process as enjoyable and rewarding as possible. Your peppermint growing journey begins with these essential basics. Find a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade. About 4 to 5 hours of sunlight is ideal. If using a terracotta pot, soak it first to prevent it from drying out your soil. Place stones over the drainage holes to keep them clear. Fill your pot 2/3 with compost, patting it down gently. Remove your peppermint from its nursery pot, keeping the roots intact. Set it in the center, with the root ball an inch below the rim. Fill in around the plant with more compost, firming gently. Water thoroughly until it drains from the bottom. Optionally, add a thin layer of mulch to retain moisture. That's it. Your peppermint is planted and ready to thrive. Simple steps, big rewards. Peppermint loves moist soil. Water when the top inch feels dry. In hot weather, you may need to water daily. In cooler temps, less often. Water the soil, not the leaves, to prevent disease. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks after the first month. Don't over-fertilize, too much reduces flavor. Prune regularly by pinching off top leaves to keep the plant bushy. Remove flowering stems to encourage more leaf growth. Watch for runners trying to escape the pot. Snip them off to prevent spreading. If planting in a bed, sink the pot into the ground to contain the roots. With these simple steps, your peppermint will stay lush and productive. A little care goes a long way. Harvesting peppermint is easy and rewarding. Pick leaves or cut stems in the morning for peak flavor. Snip stems above a set of new leaves to encourage bushiness. Regular harvesting keeps your plant healthy and productive. Use fresh leaves for tea, just rinse, bruise, and steep in hot water. Add mint to drink salads, potatoes, or fruit for a fresh twist. Infuse water with sprigs for a refreshing drink. A sprig of mint makes a beautiful garnish for desserts. Enjoy the endless ways peppermint can brighten your kitchen. Your harvest is the true taste of your garden's success. With just a pot and some compost, you can grow your own source of freshness and flavor. Peppermint is forgiving and generous. Perfect for new gardeners. Don't worry about mistakes. This plant is resilient and bounces back. Growing peppermint connects you to nature and the seasons. It might even inspire you to try other herbs and expand your garden. Start with peppermint and see where your gardening journey leads. Take the plunge. Get a plant, find a sunny spot, and begin. The act of planting is optimistic and rewarding. For a small effort, you'll enjoy big returns in taste and fragrance. Happy gardening. Your peppermint adventure awaits.